Service in Upton, New York has issued a flash flood warning for Passaic County in northeast New Jersey, Westchester County in southeast New York, Bergen County in northeast New Jersey, northern Essex County in northeast New Jersey, Rockland County in southeast New York, until 11 a.m. At 9:20 a.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across Essex County and into Passaic and Bergen counties. These storms are moving slowly northeast around 5 miles per hour. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 11 a.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, and Passaic, and the following counties in New York, Rockland, and Westchester. Here is the forecast.